Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily and weekly time frame, of course we get a huge dump day the day after I change my sentiment and give the bulls some credit. So we have a key support level still holding, but because we're closing at the low of the day, it indicates weakness heading into tomorrow. 105.50 is that support. The low of this last consolidation, 105.50, 105.64, 105.60. You get the idea. 105.62. So we did close above that level to maintain that support. We did break it, and it's on big volume, but it's the lower Bollinger Band holding as support, just like it did on that last pullback. That was the only support level in sight, and it held, and we're currently there again. The difference is that time it was ascending, and now it's descending. So tomorrow it's going to be lower, and it's going to create more room to the downside. Volume here is a huge red flag, and the red flag for the bulls today was obviously the gap down open. But then the high of the day rejecting from the middle Bollinger Band resistance almost to the penny. Anytime a key support is back as resistance and is back tested, a rejection from that level confirms, in this instance, it confirms confidence to the bears. So on the weekly time frame, not nearly looking as good as we were yesterday. It did look like a bull flag. That is not the case anymore. And the next support we're looking at after we break 105.50, if we break it, is 104.14, this 10-week moving average, and then the 50-week is 103.18. So those are the next two levels we're looking at, and the bears are still strong, and that volume proves it. So we're going to be looking at continuation of a pullback because now we just have another lower high at 108.76, and we're likely going to see lower lows. And as long as this middle Bollinger Band on the daily is resistance, the trend favors the bears in the short term. And the weekly, we know the long-term trend favors the bears because we keep seeing lower highs and lower lows, with 110.23 being the most recent lower high. So short-term bearish, very long-term bearish, mid-term is bullish. Since May, higher lows and higher highs, we can pull all the way back to $100 and then see a bullish continuation move, and we'll still be establishing higher lows on the midterm trend, and I'm just referring to the last 4 months. So the vision or the outlook all change depending on time frame. Short and long term bear, midterm bull. We'll check back in tomorrow and see if we lose this 105.50 support, indicating further downside, and volume certainly suggests that is most likely. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.